All right, guys, got another sled, picked up another one. I mean, it's not like we needed more of them, but we got another one. 1980 Yamaha enticer 340. We were at a swap meet all weekend, and this one just happened to catch my eye. And luckily, the guy came back, and I was able to offer him a very low sum of money for it. So we're going to try to see if it runs. Turns over. The chassis is not great. The seat's not great. Everything else isn't really great, but hood vents, some of them are in good shape. So we're going to take the air box off, get some fuel, spray it into the intake, see if it starts with the electric start because the rope is broke and I'm too lazy to put a rope in it. So we're going to jump pack it, see if she cranks over. But first I need you to smell the gas tank. So you need to crack that gas tank. Let me know what that gas smells like. What do you think?
Okay, that smells really weird.
let me take a smell too. Oh! That is gross. But the good news is the gas cap still works. So that's good. I would say the gas has been in there for longer than you've been alive, most likely. Probably more than 6 years. 12,000 kilos on her. And for you Americans like ourselves, that's like 10K miles. So she's been rode hard.
We're going to start putting aviation fuel in all these we send away. So when they come back home, we know. We know because that aviation fuel is still in it.
Yep. And it looks like it got a nasty side swipe dent. I mean, it's all caved in left side here. And then it's missing, like I said, that cross tie rod to connect the steering arms. Bulkhead doesn't have many rust holes, but you can see a couple down in there. And the pipe, you know, has a little patch job in there, but missing all the fasteners to hold it on, but it's fine. You know, it's got a clamp. You know, it'll hold it.
Did you give them a little briefing on our ride back? Someone else didn't make her? Let the YouTubes.
Oh, yeah.
I got the... That was rowdy.
So you guys can see this side. Left rear. Nothing really wrong there. But right rear. Oh, the spacer had to come off because I'm in front of him driving and all of a sudden I see him slow down and I call him. He said, yeah, I think my wheel's falling off. And there was 2 studs left holding the wheel on as it's wobbling. It sheared off all the studs. So that's what was left of it. It's a good time.
Sheared them clean off.
So thankfully this happened a mile from home and it didn't happen on the highway. Because we were all food combed out from that pizza ranch anyway, so we weren't going to get out of the vehicle to change it anyways. We had to wait it out. And it was also raining an hour before that, so it all happened.
As you can see, I pulled that recoil off, and what's underneath there, Mark?
Oh, we got not as cool as the opossum, which I don't think you guys got to see.
And that scorpion over there.
Yeah, we got some scorpions. Had an opossum, but this one's got a nest.
Mm-hmm. We're enforcing the crap out of the Bendix. I got an extra recoil because it looks like that rope is older than some of us are. So we're gonna get some of that out maybe before it overheats.
I don't know if it's all the way up in here though.
We'll just take our chances.
It seems good there. The fan will blow the rest of it out.
Right. Yeah, exactly. I could try giving her some jump pack power to it.
Oh, that's like concrete.
Here,
Holy
screwdriver.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Oh yeah. Where's a chunk?
Those cowls really ain't too big, so as long as you get some out. And I always enjoy overheating them in the middle of winter anyways.
I enjoy doing it more in summer. It's even more gooder. If I take the air hose.
Yeah, I'll give her a little blow out. I'll blow all that crap out quick. The pan and everything isn't really that bad.
Not as bad as mine.
The bulkhead's not
It's
rotten.
got a nice whack on this side.
I know.
Other than that, ain't bad at all.
But now that throttle is cherry. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the air hose, blow that out, slap the other recoil on it. We'll test the electric start before I put the recoil on, just for the heck of it. We're gonna skip a couple diagnostic steps, and we're gonna put mixed fuel right down that scuzzy carburetor that I did blow the air holes out a little bit with the air hose. Cleaned the mice nest out, got a recoil on it, swapped it out. We're gonna see if it's got spark compression and give it some fuel.
You switch it on.
Yep, everything's on.
Or you want to open its throat?
Commence. Oh,
Healthy doesn't.
All right. Ooh. It tells me might be down a hole. Wait. I've seen it like this before.
Is it on?
Unplug that one right there.
The black and
white.
Black and white, correct?
Yep. Either that or it's got zero and it overheated from the mice nest and it got no compression. Maybe it's got no spark. Huh? Oh. All right.
Is that clutch supposed to wobble like that? Oh, it's bent. Does it not? Pull it real fast once. It's like.
I wonder if somebody put a big bar on it, maybe?
It's smoking.
I guess we can check for spark. Let's get the compression gauge out too. We know it's the health. We need to do a health report. Health report is needed. Pull plugs. Is it smoking?
Yeah, it's smoking from like right there.
Really?
Yeah.
It was wobbly, dude. It was not good.
It's smoking. Like,
It was
really
not
bad.
good. Look at it wobble, dude. Oh. Something tells me that the crank. Really? Oh no. Oh no. Look for a hole in the piston. Oh, new plugs.
Not so new plug.
I'm scared. Dad, I'm scared. Should I rope it over? There's a spidey gonna be crawling on your hand there in a second. Get that spidey out of there.
I don't see a hole.
Okay. Let's see if she got some spark. I guess I didn't clean up this ground wire over here, guys. It's pretty common on enticers to have that. We got our kill wire disconnected. So I guess we'll just see. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, you know what that means.
Oh, this is going to tell us a story.
Either it's really dry and it didn't get any in it.
But there is nothing on those plugs.
I know. We might have to go down the
cylinder.
The snout.
Cylinder.
Well, let's do our due diligence in case we do pull the motor.
I thought that was a compass first.
A compass? Yeah?
It is. It's a compass of how many revolutions does this motor make in
It really looks like a
PSIs.
compass. I attach it to the snowmobile just in case you get lost.
Something inside the motor might be lost. I'm gonna find out.
We usually prefer a 30 rack of Keystone to help us home instead of the compass. 30 rack of beer always helps. Hey, I want you to, Leland, I want you to take this throttle. I want you to hold it all the way open. All right? Yep, just hold it open. Just like that. Yep. All right.
36 will not help you go home. It will help you go to heaven or down there.
It's got 80. I mean, not the healthiest.
It's dry.
I could put some oil down there too. 80 is definitely not great, guys, but as dry as this thing is.
It's dry as a lizard fart.
It's dry in my mouth right now.
Oh, you got some dry mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bad.
Also known as gingivitis.
Ready? Man, pretty uniform. 75, 80.
Can I let go?
She's a little on the shot. You can let go. Yep.
Oh, that hurt.
Yeah.
She says, dude, and look at that heat warmer. Your thumb would be so hot, dude. It's a thumb warmer when you're driving. Is that little pad on there? Because otherwise, your fingers freeze to the metal handle, and then you get frostbite.
No.
Frostbite's bad.
It doesn't feel like a heat warmer.
It will once you get her going.
Yeah, we're gonna do it too.
So she's got good spark. Compression is kind of lacking. We're gonna know here in about 30 seconds.
Yeah, we just filled them holes up good.
Will an enticer run on 75 to 80 pounds compression?
Oh, I bet you get this thing going.
That's why they had E-start, you know, you get them zipping. Flies. Eating me alive.
Mosquitoes are eating.
Going hand tight. Really losing compression.
The mosquitoes are eating.
Let me give her a little throttle.
She's wet now. I filled them holes. It might be flooded, honestly.
We could, yeah, it could be. I guess we could go wide. Oh boy, sweat bees.
It's a dumpy.
Kill it. He just smashes it. Ah, ow!
It's tiny.
I wonder if that one's fouled, dude. And black. Yeah. Get a used. Is that an 8?
PR9.
Yeah, go get a 9. We'll find one. Find a half screwed up one.
Full of rust. But it's brand new. The crush washer was not crushed.
Let me see.
Do you think you want to check for spark? No. Just put it. Just let water full of gas too. Get her wet. Commence. Oh, what did you do?
I don't know about it.
I don't think she's gotten the. I don't think she's gotten the. Oh. Yup. Dude,
You got that thing to work.
it runs, dude. Mark pulled his arm off though. It doesn't. It only ran out once. Once she starts, then you can keep her moving. Oh.
Not again.
Probably needs to be wide. I mean, she's probably flooded.
Think so?
Oh yeah.
Okay, now that was like way better.
Okay, she's definitely running on 2.
She sounds sassy.
I know.
Worse than sassy, dude.
This thing's gonna be a
This
ripper.
sounds mad.
What
This
is
sounds
your thoughts? What do you think?
Good job. It's amazing.
You're gonna rip it?
Probably.
Probably?
Yeah.
All right. You can race him on his enticer. Oh, ride it like that. Much better. Really good idea.
It won't
Yeah,
even go.
I don't think you'll crash at all.
No.
Me neither. Never.
Well, Mark, at least we got some oil in the cylinders and some fuel.
Yeah. Yeah, I
It would
think
be
there's check
impossible.
compression now.
I bet she's at 100.
Just right as
Hey, it
exactly
ran
like
on
this,
80.
eyes behind my head.
These ETs will run on damn near 60.
Probably around 50.
If you
Like
can,
full on eyes behind my head. Full on eyes behind my head. Crashes immediately.
go right for that silo over there, dude. That'd be perfect.
Yeah, right up it.
Yep, just crest it as fast as you can.
Like
Take a look
right-
at how nice that freaking bar pad is, though.
I know, that's like
It's
beautiful.
mint, not broken.
It's like beautiful.
I mean, this belt,
Perfect.
this Dango, they haven't had that design, dude, probably since the 90s. That's what you do when you get the sled running? Take a look at the letters, if you could read that backwards, what the guy before us must have got it for.
But if you look at it from the front, which is the only way I looked at it, you cannot tell.
Not see it.
You
All right, you
cannot
guys
see
saw
it.
that? Now look, guys.
From
You
the front.
can't see it. You cannot see it.
Isn't that something? He got us good.
Yeah.
Leave a comment down below what you guys think we paid for this sled. It wasn't much. That's my only clue.
It's like, it's
So,
But we had to pay something for this.
but I had to pay something, and I wasn't gonna insult him too bad. At least it runs.
It's like $94. Nah.
$94. That's your guess?
Yeah.
All right.
I know it. Oh. Let us know, comment down below,
Yep. Exactly.
how much this sled costs.
Yeah, it's gonna have to come out of your allowance for sure.